Good morning, my friends. Coach Vigue, Vogue, but with an I. Welcome to day 6 of your 30 days of morning yoga program. How's it going? Like our diverse workouts, we find diverse spots always, every time. Keep changing it up, keep challenging ourselves, and keep enjoying ourselves as always. Random question today. Got a comment below. Do you prefer for someone to ring your doorbell or knock on your door? Or don't visit altogether? Let us know below. We really need to know this. All right, feeling good, opening up the body, starting your day with this kind of flow is outstanding. Starting your day with Coach Vigue might be even better. So let's get going. Breathing in the nose and out the nose. There's things coming out of the ground over there. We'll keep an eye on that. Let's start in child's pose. Child's pose to modified plank, back and forth, always building on what we've done in this 30-day program. Inhale forward, exhale back. In the nose, out the nose. Keep an eye on that lake for me, will you? And the traffic. But I tell you, Florida has some amazing blue skies with the clouds. Inhale, exhale, stretch it out, shifting the weight back and forth. Spread the fingers wide, elbows in, hands under the shoulders. Really waking up that powerful, potential-filled back. Potential, that's the word. 3 more. Once that blood starts to flow, our mood elevates, and we elevate the possibilities that we can do with our mind, our body throughout the day. Once again, forward, back, and hand slides from child's pose. Forearm down, exhale, slide that right hand forward, stretching the back, and then slide back. I have to do a little walking with the hands. The mat gets a little sticky. It's the sweat and the sunscreen. Both essential for enjoying these flows outside. Forearm or the hand down, that's fine. I say that as I did it. Oh, okay, that's fine. It's fine for the instructor to do that, right? Stretch, stretch, shoulders back. Learn to release into your movements. One more time on each side. Good, expand, exhale forward. Always join the breath and your precious movements together. Downward facing dog, tuck the toes, bring it up. Shake out the legs, open the fingers wide. As you inhale, bend the knees. Exhale, lengthen, find where you are, modify as needed. Always use control. That's the fun. Don't get discouraged. It's fun. Find where you are and expand from there. Get to know how your body works, how it moves, how it reacts. Not just on the mat, but all diddly day long. Feels great on the glutes, the hamstrings, the calves. Walt Disney World's just a few miles that way. Maybe we'll head over there later with our new stretched out, feel-good body. Three more times. Keep that flow going, the attention to detail, attention to fluidity in your movements. One more time. Stretch. All right, right knee forward. We have a beautiful pigeon pose. Don't know why I said it like that, but here we are. Proud pigeon. Fingers down, lift up, slide this leg back. If you want a little more of a oomph in that stretch, walk the leg, look at this, to your right in the back, right into the red ant's nest there. And now we add some pulses. Exhale down. You can bring the forearms or extend the arms all the way out. I'll leave it up to you how far you want to go with it. We're going to go back and forth. Lengthen. Three more. Shoulders back, lifting tall into those trees. I am feeling good this morning, even without this flow. You imagine how much better I'm even gonna feel after doing this flow. Let me turn a little bit this way. I might just fall into the lake. Gave my dog Addie a bath. That was fun. I'm not being sarcastic. I love giving her a bath. We have a good time. Then she runs around for about a half hour in the house. She has a good time. Then she passes out. All right, walk it up. Proud pigeon. Now thread the needle in the pigeon. Right hand forward. Reach that left arm through. We're going to take it from thread the needle to the proud pigeon. Up and across. Now you can keep moving on this side or alternate it. So left hand down, slide through. Oh my goodness. So good, it might not even be allowed some places. Wring out the sides, stretch those sides. We talk a lot about rotational prowess, rotational abilities. To have a nice balance in how you can twist, how you can rotate. Maybe for a sport, maybe for picking a pen up off the counter. Or if you don't prefer a counter, a table. All right, one more time each side. Let me get that big stretch. There we are, slacking a little bit. Let me scooch forward. I'm getting spiders and ants on my foot, but that's okay. I signed up for that when I came out here. Don't lock spiders. That is just too good for words, isn't it? Proud pigeon, lift up. Strong stance, shoulders back and down. We open the chest, so even in this position, we're not caving forward. We're lifting and dropping the shoulders back. Nice energizing in the arms, in the back, sliding the back leg further behind you. Excellent. Let's step back to down dog. Shake it out. Add some walks. The mat is heating up. It's very hot on the mat. I'm silently sizzling. Twist it out. Tuck the chin. Let some blood move into the head. Stretch, 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 stretch. A lot of extra stretching there. We have that response. The Golgi, is that it? I always mess up that word. I forget our response that will keep us from stretching too far. It's set in place. Oh. All right, left leg forward. We have a little gator coming by to visit. All right, proud pigeon. Back and forth. Bring it down. Inhale, lift. And sliding down. Cap switch. When did that happen? Smooth movements. Inhale. Always check your surroundings, of course, if you're outside. Massaging side to side. Lift. Proud pigeon, nice and tall. Take the head up. You can always bring this back leg. You ever switch words around like that? I do it a lot. All right, down. And now you can keep it down here or move into those threading the needles. Left hand down, right arm through. You're definitely enhancing your pigeon. Nice shoulder stretch. Return to the proud variation every time. Oh, and then hand down, reach through. Proud pigeon, keep on rolling. You can bring the head all the way down if you like. And again. This arm can come further forward or even bring the arm to your low back. Maybe for future reference or for right now. Always in real time. Adapting and building in real time. All right, one more time, each side, lift up. Open the chest. Always strong in the movements, very purpose-filled. We don't have accidents here. Everything is under your control. It's the only way it can be. Pretty bird. Pretty bird. It's that wonderful marriage of your body weight and gravity. Always working together. Where are we here? Let's step back. Lower down. Shoulders back, we have cobra. Or all the way up into upward facing dog. Open the chest. Shoulders back. Strong. Strong in the arms. Strong in the breath. Okay, knees down. Place the feet on the mat. We have a low squat to mudra forward fold. So hands together, we press back. As far as you're comfortable going, really engage and energize the glutes and the legs. Now reach the arms back, lace the fingers, knees are bent, arms back. If you want, you can also just drop the arms. Back to low squat. Nice flexibility in the knees and the quads. Work on that. Lace the fingers. Squat. Beautiful day. Again, dive down. Let's do 2 more each one. 2 more. And dive. Whew. Once again. A lot of blood to the brain, a lot of blood flow. All right, dive down. Mudra forward fold. Couple extra breaths. All right, let the arms fall, down dog with scorpion. Oh, that mat is nice and warm. It's like a heating blanket. Left foot flat, right leg up into a scorpion down dog. Down dog, scorpion, open it up. You can also drop this left forearm. Wipe the sweat out of your eyes. 2 more breaths. Let the blood move into the head. Now hands down, bring this right leg forward. Pigeon, open up. Proud pigeon, remember this one. Open, open to counteract that inversion we just did, where the head goes lower than the heart, than the waist. And let's step back. Scorpion, other side. Forearm down if you like. Feels great though, doesn't it? Lengthening and twisting, moving through all these unique positions. Increase your ability to move throughout your day. Right here. Upside down Florida. Hands down. Woo! I was slipping. Bring that leg forward. Proud pigeon. Oh. Strong. Open, open. Hello there. You never know who's over there. All right, step it back, knees down. Once again, forward, lower down, cobra or up dog. Hold it, steady. Lift, strong, 5 breaths. Whew. Okay, knees down. Excellent work, my friends. Ooh, switch the cap. We made it. We survived. Shake out the arms and legs. This is day 6 of your 30 days of morning yoga program. If you're not in it yet, sign up. Sign up down below. shake it out. And our random question today is, when someone comes to your house, do you prefer they ring the doorbell or knock on the door, or just don't visit altogether? We have to know this. Comment below. And I look forward to seeing you tomorrow for day 7. Always a pleasure, my friends. Good work. And until then. Always great to film right up to when it starts to rain. Hey, my friend, it's Coach Vigue once again. I want to give you a special gift to show you how much I appreciate you training with me. It's my most popular 30-minute yoga routine from my exclusive Sean Vigue Fitness training app. All you have to do is click the first link in the comment section below, and you'll get that video immediately, and I'll add you to my mailing list.